So why should I invest? Maybe you're thinking, I work really hard for my money and I don't know if I want to play in the stock market. It seems really scary and volatile. Maybe it's just best if I put it in a savings account. Sure, a savings account is considered a low risk investment vehicle. However, savings accounts have such a low interest rate on the growth of your money that over the long term, you're not going to beat inflation. When your money is in a savings account, it's not doing anything for you. It's there for you when you need it. However, it's losing its purchasing value as time goes on because most savings accounts' interest rates are so low. The market can be scary if you don't understand it. Most of the stories that we hear about the stock market are really extreme stories or in television and movies like The Wolf of Wall Street or the show Billions, but you are not going to be a hedge fund shorting the stock, wheeler dealer type of player. The best type of investing is a marathon, not a sprint. If you don't know anything about the stock market, it can seem totally scary, but I'm here for you because I promise you, once you understand it a little bit and you understand how to keep yourself and your assets the most protected that you can, you'll feel so much more comfortable about it and it'll actually become fun and interesting to talk about. Well, at least it was for me, but I hope it's that way for you too. Thank you for watching this video. Please consider subscribing to my channel where I'm going to talk about all kinds of things that we make. Costumes, wigs, acts, money. Why not?